Hello and welcome back everyone to Invest with Declan. I was going to set this up as a live stream. Having trouble. I'm not able to actually record my screen for somewhere. It won't set up as a broadcast properly, so apologies for that. So this is what Bitcoin is trading at right now, 108,639 on the live charts. And Bitcoin has seen quite a dip now in the last few weeks. It was up around the 124,000 only a few weeks ago. So Bitcoin, year to date, Bitcoin is up 17.24%, posting a 17.24% gain over the past 12 months. Since Bitcoin launched 16 years ago, the world's first cryptocurrency has completely shifted global financial markets and amassed a 2.20 trillion in market capitalization. Now that's a massive amount. That just shows you, like Bitcoin, how massive Bitcoin actually is. Since its introduction in 2009 by an anonymous figure known as, I can't even pronounce that, Bitcoin, as the first cryptocurrency, has paved the way for many others. It kicked off a whole new era of digital finance, and there are so many different kinds now, I've lost track of them, but the main ones I keep track of are Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. They're the few I keep an eye on. Now, Bitcoin is one of the most successful real-world applications of blockchain technology, a decentralized public ledger maintained by a network of users. Key to its application is its proof of work model. It is a consensus method that also uses cryptography, replacing the need for a centralized authority to approve transactions, unlike the banks. I think that's one of the main reasons why it caught on. There's no centralized authority. So Bitcoin traded at 110,698. This is a while back now. That's down 2.24 over the last 24 hours. The original crypto's 52-week intraday high clocked at 124,457 on August the 13th, 2025, and today is August the 30th, 2025, and that's how much it has dropped. The original crypto 52-week intraday high clocked at 124 on that date, while its 52-week intraday low was 52,599, which occurred on September the 6th, 2024. And now, seeing these dips and the fact that it has dipped down to 108, the next support level could be around 105,000, and if it bounces off that, it could rebound up to 110, or if it goes below that, it could be 90. It seems to go in kind of 90, 85, 80, 70, 75. Like if you've seen my other videos, they're the kind of jumps it took in the last number of years. And when it was down at 15,000, it went up to about 17, then it played around the 17, then it went up to 20, then it went up to 25. But that's what it's doing right now at the moment, and Bitcoin is pretty volatile. You have to be very careful. I only have just a little under 100 in Bitcoin at the moment, and it has been up about €20, but now it's only up about 10 because of the dips now. And I've held the Bitcoin for quite a few months now at this stage. As I said, it's just about under €100 invested in Bitcoin, and the rest is in stocks, a few more in stocks. But I only trade and invest small amounts. 400 is the most ever usually, and the rest goes on day-to-day living expenses, that kind of thing. So just be careful with Bitcoin. That's how Bitcoin is at the moment. It's highly volatile at the moment, and you need to be careful. And again, sorry that I was trying to get this to go as a live stream. For some reason, when I went into OBS Studio and I wanted to set it up, when I wanted to go into YouTube and set it up as a live stream, it said your camera is already in use. I had it in use in OBS Studio, which I was going to use OBS Studio, which I'm using now, to cover, to show what I was seeing on the screen, but for some reason it wouldn't work. I could not get it to work, so I had to, even though I'd set up the live stream, I had to just X and close out it again and make a regular video. So apologies for that, and as I said, be careful with Bitcoin. I hope you found this video interesting, and if you did, please hit the like and please subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.